Hi, welcome back to the channel guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Lensa app, right? So we will just go into the Lensa mobile application here and you have to just agree to the terms and conditions, right? And here, these are the features which are going to show you, right? So as you click on the next, it will show the features and very exciting features, right? So basically, let me tell you, this is a paid version of Lensa. So if you want it, you're gonna have to purchase, right? So I will just close it right now, right? And I will just deny and I will just close this. Now I have to just add a photo. So in the free version you can use only 3 photos to edit, right, per day. So I'll just allow here and I will select a photo, right? I'll just go below down here and let's say if I select this photo, I will just import it here, and if you want to edit, just click on the photo and that's it, right? And after that it will load for a few seconds and after that you can edit the photos, right? But guys, if you want to use Lensa app AI, so basically you have to click on magic avatars, and here you can see that what kind of magic avatars. You have to just select the photos and after that it will create your own avatar, and this is pretty awesome, and these pics are very viral, right? So you can just click on try now, and basically you have to, so here you can say that after that you can just click on the continue, and here you have to select your photos. You can see this kind of photos here, and make sure that you don't select this kind of photos. So you have to just select these selfies, right? So after that we will select here photo. And guys, let me tell you that this is a paid version, okay? So you have to pay some money to use this feature. So this is it guys. If you found this video really useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.